First of all, I would suggest you to try restarting all of your Fall Guys and Epic Games tasks and processes on your PC. So just make sure to first of all close all of your tasks, and then also on the bottom right corner click on Show Hidden Icons, and then right click on the Epic Games and click on Exit. And then also open your search and type in Task Manager, and then here click on More Details. So it looks like this. And then here make sure also sure to just end every task related to your Epic Games or your Fall Guys. Just select the task and then click on End Task. And then when you've done it, we can already close the Task Manager again. And then open your Epic Games launcher again. And sign in if needed. Hopefully, no, perfect. I don't need to sign in again. Perfect. And then when it loads up, just click on your library and then click on the three dots here at Fall Guys and click on Manage. And then first of all, I would suggest you to turn auto update on. Awesome. Always makes sense. And then down here at installation, I click on this open installation location icon here. And then when you're in this folder, you can also just find it manually, but I think this is easier. And then when you found this folder, find the application that is called Fall Guys _exe, _client.exe. Right click on it, click on Properties, and then switch over to the Compatibility tab, where we are going to set a few settings. First of all, I would suggest you to try running this program in compatibility mode 4. Check the setting here, and then Windows 8 is perfectly fine. And also down here, I would suggest you to disable your full screen optimizations and to run this program as an administrator every time you launch it. And then just click on Apply and tick on OK. And that's already it. Then just start Fall Guys again, and the issue of your Easy Anti-Cheat error should be fixed. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible and we will truly find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.